Right, pilot. Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly down. Chewie makes fly on this thing moving to the air. Weapons are online. Left pilot, get the booster. Now let's go get that coaxial. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Yes, keep shooting. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. There it is. After that train. Flight engineers. Fire your boost. Excellent. Now, gunners. Shoot the cargo. Left pilot. Good work. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay. It's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Power up the ship. Well, I have no axiom. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Let's get another container of coaxium. Pilot, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Flight engineers. Fire the harpoons and reel us in. Gunners, shoot the train. The cargo's breaking. Keep shooting. Shut up, my friends. Yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You get after the train. Gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry! It's coming down! Got it! Left pilot, hit the boosters! Boost! We made it! I don't believe it, but we made it! Now, let's get out of here! Your hyperdrive has failed. Pilots, evasive maneuvers. We've got company. Chewie's right. We cannot let them follow us back to the resistance. We shall last. You did it. Watch out! That's going to do work. Great job, my friends. You retrieved 2 containers of coaxium. This would greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.